Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a perfect circle ring. First, gather your essential tools, including a pair of round nose pliers, wire cutters, and a ring mandrel. Next, select your preferred wire material, such as 20-gauge sterling silver or copper wire. Finally, accurately measure the desired circumference for your specific ring size, ensuring a comfortable fit for your finger. Now, let's begin shaping. Cut a precise length of wire, usually about 4 inches, depending on your ring size and design. Using your round nose pliers, create a small, neat loop at one end of the wire. This loop will form the starting point of your ring. Then, carefully begin wrapping the wire around a ring mandrel, ensuring consistent tension for a smooth curve. To achieve that perfect circular form, continue wrapping the wire tightly around the ring mandrel. Maintain even pressure as you go, ensuring the coils are close together. Once you have wrapped the desired number of turns, overlap the 2 wire ends by approximately 1/4 inch. This overlap is crucial for securing the ring's structure and maintaining its integrity. For the final touches, carefully trim any excess wire using your wire cutters, leaving just enough to tuck in. Use your pliers to gently tuck in both wire ends, ensuring they are flush with the ring and won't snag on anything. Finally, give your newly crafted ring a gentle polish with a soft cloth to enhance its shine and achieve a professional, smooth finish. Enjoy your handmade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.